Hello, model car fans. Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. If you like my content, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing the 1963 Chevy 2 Nova Wagon in the Craftsman Series Plus. This kit by AMT is a curbside kit, which means it doesn't have a motor. It has a motor plate to cover up that area. The Craftsman series is simple builds, and they can be really nicely detailed, kind of like the annual cars or the promo models back in the day. So here we have a look at the box art, very classic styling of the Chevy 2 Nova Wagon. Authentic detail, white wall, pad printed tires are included in this. Relatively low parts count. I think somewhere on here might have a parts count. I don't see it. But let's go ahead and get the X-Acto knife and open her up. Get this plastic out of the way here. All right, let's get everything out of the way and see what we have. Do a little backdrop here of the box top. Get back up there. Stay. All right, so here's the clear plastic. The windows look good. Metal axles. We have a telephone. That's pretty cool. So this will go along with the theme of the car that I'm thinking about building. I'll cover that here in a minute. The chrome looks nice. I like the stock hubcaps. Front bumper and grille assembly looks good. Let's see what else we have. Just kind of looking at this. I'm not going to go through all these parts. We've all seen them before. Steering wheel, hood, firewall, that kind of stuff. Chassis, floor pan. Let's take a look at the body. Looking very crisp. I don't see any flash there. Good detail on the emblems on the fender and the rear quarter. Very nice, straight. I don't see any warpage there. Decals, I won't be using those. Well, I probably will be using decals on my build. The black wall side of the tires, and there's this white wall, pad printed. Looks like about 14-inch tire size if scaled out correctly. Let's look at these instructions. Pretty basic. If you see there, we have an animal. It looks like we have a squirrel. We don't have an engine, but we have a squirrel. How cool is that? You gotta love that. I guess it's one squirrel power. All right. There's the engine plate. Right there, part number 2. Looks like it go together pretty well. I'm thinking about doing a fire department incident command chief officer response vehicle. It'd be the first fire department vehicle I made, and seeing that I'm a chief officer at the fire department, it seems only fitting, and this would be a good time to build something like that. Let's see what the decals say. Water slide. Well, I'll set those aside. I'm not going to use them. I'll make my own. So there's a good look at that artwork. Very classic looking. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate everyone for tuning in, and I'm back on the car builds. So y'all have a safe and blessed day, and we'll see you on the next update. Take care.